In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Corolla key fob and change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2016 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of these or you just like to get one online, check the link in the description here on YouTube. That will take you to Amazon to get one for just a couple of bucks, probably the best price out there. And this again will be the exact battery that you need for this device. So just check that out and then we can get right into it. Right here are where the key ring attaches. On this side, there is a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver into that area and twist to open it up. But make sure this Toyota symbol, the back of the device, is facing up. You do not want buttons facing up, Toyota symbol facing up, and I will show you why in a second. So holding it carefully in that orientation, we're going to insert into this little slot and twist. Twist the screwdriver, and now we can just remove this with our fingers and pull that off. And now, keeping it oriented this way, just lift off this little box here. You can see these are the buttons and they will fall right out and they can be kind of annoying to put back in. So just be careful with that, set that down. Now looking at this little component here, we want to look on the bottom. There's a little space between the black plastic and the clear plastic. We can just take a flathead screwdriver, also a coin would work here. And again, we're just inserting it in there and we're twisting. We're turning it like a key and cracks this thing open and we can just pull it apart with our fingers. So from here, I like to actually kind of remove this little black component that's sitting in the rubber. Makes the next part a little bit easier. So you can kind of just pull that out. And right up here on the top of the battery, you just want to stick the corner of your flathead screwdriver in between the battery and the plastic behind it. Just kind of wiggle it in and it will pop out very easily. Again, CR2016 battery, and if you don't know where to get that, go ahead and check the description. And when you're putting your battery in, make sure the positive side that has this plus sign goes face up. And we will just click that back into place. This little battery component here goes right on top of this clear part in the rubber and just push it down so that it sits nicely in there. And of course, this black part goes right on top. So we're just clicking everything back together now. Carefully pick this up, set it in place right on top of those buttons. And finally, we just click the back into place. And we are all set. That is all you need to do to change the internal battery in your Toyota Corolla key fob. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.